Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustonShow.com. I just want to talk to you today about doing credit repair during the mortgage process. So we specialize in that. So we have to get your scores up, or we have to get your debt to income ratios down. We're paying some debt off, or boosting your scores. You have to understand there's a risk to that, and it can kill the deal, and it's happened many a times to me. So you have to ask the consumer, and make sure they're honest with you, because you never know what's going to happen. So when I run your credit, and the bad thing that you think that's going to show up, there's not there. You think you got away with murder, but I tell you, hey, we got to repair your credit. Let's get your scores up. Pay this debt down. Let's get your scores up. Well, that takes a week, sometimes a week and a half, for the credit bureaus to do that. And what that means is your credit report's live. So if you all of a sudden charge $2,000 on a credit card, your credit score could drop when I'm trying to get it to go up. That's one problem. Number two, a collection that could be a really bad collection that you thought that, hey, it's not on there, I'm good, that you knew it was coming. Well, now it hits during that week and a half, and it kills the deal. So be aware. Make sure you're honest with your mortgage broker. Your mortgage broker is there to help you. Be careful of credit repair, because while you're going through that repair, you better not breathe. You better make your situation better, not worse. So don't charge credit cards. And if you know there's a collection about to hit, let your mortgage broker know, and he'll say, like, maybe we shouldn't do this then, or wait a little bit, let it hit, and repair that. So it's complicated stuff. Make sure you're dealing with professional. Give me a call if you got any questions. I can help you with this. I know what I'm doing. Been doing this 24 years. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. It helps us help you.